Hi guys, we're rocking and rolling lesson 9, unit 10, lesson 9. We're going to hit the box plots today. And another name for these is called a box and whisker. And you can kind of see that box down there. But anyway, a box plot displays data using 5 key numbers. The difference between the first and third quartile is called the inner quartile, Q-U-A-R-T-I-L-E, range. All right. The smallest piece of data is the minimum, M-I-N-I-M-U-M. The median of the lower half is called the first quartile, or Q1. The median of the data is called the median. The median of the upper half of the data is called the third quartile, or Q3. And then the largest piece of data is the maximum. Okay, so we look at this. Here's the maximum, looks to be maybe about 17. The median is here. Here's the third quartile, here's the first, and here's the minimum piece. That's the whisker that comes out. Okay, so we can look at that and you can kind of see those things there. All right, so we're going to take this and we're going to make a box and whisker plot, okay? And the first thing we have to do is organize our data from least to greatest. We have to we have to kind of get organized here, find the median and everything. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and get organized here and say 34, okay, 45, 47, 48, 48, 49, and 50. All right, so the minimum, that's easy, is 34, and the maximum is 50. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and find the median, which is 48. Now, I better make sure that you can see all this. Okay, and you can, so let me pull that up just a tad. There we are. Okay, and then I'm going to find the first quartile, which is here, and I'm going to find the third quartile, which is there. So let's go ahead and write this in, 45, 48, and 49. Okay. So then we come down to our number line, number of animal crackers, and here they are. So what I always start with is the median. I know the median is 48, so I'm going to put it right here, out there. All right. I know the first quartile was 45, so I'm going to put a line there, and the third quartile is 49. I'm going to put one there. And that's called our box. First, third, median. This whisker is going to come down to 34, right? And then the maximum whisker is going to go up to 50, which is right there. And I like to put dots there. So there's your box, and there's your whiskers, as they say. Let's try that again. Let's get organized here. Now, this is a little bit bigger here, so I'm going to write a little bit smaller here. 7, 8, 9, 9, 10, 11 and 11, 12, 14, 15, 15, 16, 14, 15, 15, 16, and then a 19. All right, sorry I had to write so small, but I had to fit it in there. Here we go. Well, minimum is 7. Maximum is 19. Here, let's find the median. 9, 15, 9, 15, 10, 14, 11, 12. Here's our median. Our median is 11. First quartile, boom, 10, 8, 9, 9. In between is 9. Okay, 12, 19, 16, 14, 15, 15. It's 15. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and find the median, which is 11. First quartile is 9. Third quartile is 15. Let's make our box. Maximum goes to 19. I like to do it that way. The minimum goes to 7, and I like to do it that way. So there's your box and your whiskers. Right? That's called a box plot. All right, let's pull this down a little bit and see what we have cooking down here. Use the given box plot to determine the 5-number summary. Okay. Well, the minimum number looks to be about what? 11, I guess. I mean, it's hard to kind of see on that angle. Quartile 1 looks to be about 12. The median is certainly 14. The third quartile we would call probably 16, and the maximum number would be about 18. So that's how we can interpret some data there. Let's continue on to the next page here. And here we go. Okay, so looks like we're going to use this box plot to answer some questions, all right? All right, so let's go. Determine the range. The range is big minus small, so the biggest number minus the smallest number, which is 9 minus 0 is 9. 9's our range. What is the median number of colleges applied? Right here, remember that middle line's the median? 6. What is the interquartile range of the number of college of applicants? So remember, 8 minus 4 is 4. Which quartile represents the greatest spread of data? All right, the greatest spread. All right, and it's going to be the first quartile. You see how long this whisker is? There's a lot of data that could be in there, or it could not be, but this shows a great spread, so it's going to be the first quartile. How would you describe the variability of the number of college applicants? Well, when I look at this, all right, I would say the data varies with the highest concentration being between 4 and 8. Okay, 4 and 8. Remember, the box represents 50% of the data. So the greatest concentration, all right, is between 4 and 8. Okay, let's continue on. The average monthly rainfall during the summer months and winter months are shown. Winter, summer. True and false here. The range in rainfall in the winter is 12. So looks to be about 15 minus 3. So that is a true statement. 15 minus 3 does equal. The median rainfall in the summer was 13. That line doesn't fit at 13, so I'm going to say that's false. You know, the median to me is about 11. For half of the months in the summer, the rainfall was greater than 11. So this is 11, and this represents, 50% and 50. This represents 25%. This represents 25. Remember, the box is 50 because we have 25 and 25 there. So yes, that is a true statement. 25 and 25. All right. For half of the weeks in the winter, the rainfall always less than 10 inches. So here's the 10 in the winter, half. Yeah, because this is 25% and that's 25. So that is a true statement. That's how it is. Okay, guys. Hope that helped. Get after it.